Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with two of them, these little piggies, gorgeous color shifty paints, pigments that were released. This one is unicorn and I will use crescendo. These two are just gorgeous together, and I have some permanent blue violet from Amsterdam, and my base will be turquoise blue by Amsterdam, and I will use black and white cell activator, and I'm just thinking that maybe I want to mix a little bit of gold too. No, because this crescendo, it has gold undertone too, so it should be okay. Just want to make sure that I will not add too much paint here again, because I think that because this is not house paint, I mix just my regular mixture, my pouring medium and some acrylic paints. Okay, I will torch this for they are bubbles, and it's good because you can torch it. Okie doke. I will start with this permanent blue violet here. Hope that I didn't add too much. And some crescendo. And some unicorn. And my cell activators. White first. And then black. Okie doke. Whoop. Okay, let's do the second one. And then I will drag this a little bit and stretch. Okay. Okay. My paints on some places react a little weird, but I kind of like it. So I will just leave it. Take it down for a close-up. So here is a close-up of the wet results. You can see that there is some kind of eating paint going on, but I like it in this painting. Gives a little bit of, I don't know, interest to it. So here are the dried results. I don't know if I will catch the crescendo and unicorn properly. And I don't kind of mind of that splitting of the paint that I had, because of course I don't have really the right ingredients for the blooms, but I think that it's nice. I love it, like it. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!